Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do banana plantain and sweet potato dessert not baked in the oven. It is so nice, and I'm just going to show you how. All you need for the base is 2 sweet potato. The plantain looks overripe, but this is how you're supposed to do it here, because it's much more better when it's overripe for the sweet to come out really nice, because when you cook it, it hardens anyway, so it's really nice. And 2 coconut, this is the base, and then I'll show you what I add up to make the sweet really nice. So I've broken the coconut into halves, so I've got 4 halves now. Now some people like to grate the coconut into a grater, but I don't do it this way, yeah, because I've got a new method how I do it to sort of grate the coconut. So I'm going to show you how. So I've got a bowl here ready to sort of grate the coconut into it. So I'm going to show you how. So I've got a little, can you see? It's a little bench. You sit on it, yeah, and you grate the coconut in here. I'll show you in a minute how it's done. And a lot of countries do use this method, and that's what I use, and it's so quick and it's so easy as well. As you can see, I've done, and this is how you end up with when you grate it into the shell. This is what you end up with, yeah. This is the 4th one. So I've got this into my bowl. It's a bit of a mess outside, but you do get that, and then you just sweep it all off, yeah. That's okay. Yeah, so I'm going to carry on with my sweet. So there's the coconuts. So what you do, you grate it that way onto the iron in a bit here. You see? And it's so quick. Some people do it really fast. I'm doing a bit slow right now because I'm just showing on the video how it works. The first thing you want to do is to clean the sweet potatoes. Now some people do it differently. Some people peel it, you know, like I'm doing like now, and some people scrape it. It doesn't matter. I'm going to peel it because it's going to be much more easier for me to peel it. So this is what I'm doing. This is the first one. I'm on my second one now, and once you've done it, put it into a bowl of water so it doesn't get brown, you know. So this is what you do. So the next step, I'm going to get a pan, and I'm going to cut the sweet potato into small pieces. As you can see here, I've cut the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to put the sweet potatoes into the pan in sort of small pieces here. I've already cut the first one. Just show you the other one. Put it in there. Okay. Peel the bananas. So what you do, you obviously get the skin off. You just cut it in half and put it into your pan. Do all 4. So it's in a pan here, as you can see. Like I said, it's not going to be baked. So I've cut the sweet potatoes at the bottom, and then the plantain banana, cut it in halves and nicely put it in the pan so it can get cooked properly. Now comes the coconut, grated coconut. So what do? Obviously, you might have guessed I need the milk of the coconut, yeah? So just going to show you what I do. I'm going to use 3 cups of water to put into 3 cups. That measurement I've used. Doesn't matter what cup you use. 1. And it's cold water, by the way. Some people use warm water, but I'm using cold water. And 3. So I'm going to squeeze the coconut milk out of the coconut, grated coconut. Yeah, so what you do, you squeeze the milk out of the coconut. And do it for about, 1 minute, so you get the milk out of the coconut. Okay, you squeeze the milk and the rest of the coconut segments put into obviously another bowl. Some people give it to the chicken, because they love it, so I'm just getting the milk out. So I've got a jug of the milk, as you can see, right? So I'm just put there for time being. Bring my pan forward with the banana and the plantain. So what I'm going to put into there, I'm going to put a spoon of mixed spices. In the spices, it's got nutmeg, cinnamon. Put it in there. And a spoon of vanilla essence. Vanilla essence. Lovely. And a pinch of salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. And a cup of brown sugar. Hope you can see it in here. Yeah, so you pour it in there like that into your pan. That's lovely. And then you pour the coconut milk in it, right? This is going to be so delicious. Oh, I can taste it already. There you are, all in there. And this is how it is in the pan. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this onto the fire, to cook it onto the oven. Not in the oven, sorry. On top of the cooker. You cook it. I covered the pan here. You cook it for about 25 minutes to 35 minutes. It depends. You can actually test it to see if it's cooked. Usually the banana, yeah. But I would say 25 to 35 minutes. While I'm waiting for my dessert to cook, I'm just going to show you something which I think is just so beautiful. Look what I found. A banana. Can you see it in there? Yeah, it's not quite plantain, but it's the banana, which I'm so looking forward to when it ripes, to get it off the trunk and bring it down to have it to ripe, because I love bananas. I think it's the wind is blowing it over. It's lovely, just what I wanted. It's huge. Can you see it? Yeah, it's just hidden, isn't it? I don't want people to sort of see it's there. Got some other banana trees, but there's no bananas in them, so looking forward. Wow. I don't know if I can see that this angle here. Yeah, a little bit, tiny bit. Got others as well. We've only got one. this year. No more. Oh, I've got a better view here. Here it is. There it is. Lovely. Can you see? Lovely.